The Precious Master Padma reply, right now, at present and in future generations, there will be countless varieties of obstacles for enlightenment and attainment on the path. The one single method that suffices for clearing away all obstacles and hindrances is to call upon your Guru from the core of your heart. That itself will remove every type of obstacle. Once hindrances are cleared away, attainment is reached. Right at that moment, in short, it's exceedingly important to supplicate your Guru. This could be one of the most important sentences Padmasambhava has said. It is found in the first volume of Barchey Kixnsel, and in the text called Sheldam Nyingjang, the essence manual of all instructions. It says to call upon the Guru, one's personal Guru, who shows the path to enlightenment.